Welcome to all. Myself Sachin Kakade, Principal of Anandi Public School. On the behalf of this school, I warmly welcome to our IC member and CBC observers in this virtual inspection for the extension of affiliation. Our affiliation number is 1131038. So I am here to introduce my school and its department. Basically, our school is situated in Malkapur village, Taluka Udgir, district Latur, state Maharashtra. So let's start the journey. This is our main entrance gate that you can see it. We have the well security services like Maharashtra Security Service. He used to maintain all the record, all the visitors, in time and out time, everything is maintained by him. At the starting point, we have biometrical attendance is also there. After that, teacher used to enter in the school campus. We also have the account department here at the starting. And then after that, you can see the beautiful corridor of the school, which is well decorated. Some of the thoughts are also written in the wall. The school mission and vision is also mentioned in the front wall. I request to camera person, just please. Now, as you can see that every day we start our day with the prayer of the God, and then we started our day. So here is my principal office. This is the principal office. From here I used to as you can clearly see this one, there is some medals are also there, some of our achievements, and also the CCTV facilities also available in our school. So whole school campus is under the CCTV cameras. So all the records and everything, whatever the things are there, we used to keep in this office. So let's start with the boundary wall of the school. As you can clearly see, this is a boundary wall of the school and also a parking area of the school. I request to camera person, please. Okay. This is the parking area where we used to keep our all the vans. This is 6 feet boundary wall, purely concrete with the cement. This is the right side of the school boundary wall. This is the back concrete wall. we are moving towards the ground now. Where students used to enjoy different kind of the games like shot puts, volleyball, cricket, kabaddi, kho-kho. These different kind of the games they enjoy here. This is an volleyball ground where students used to play the game. The kho-kho and cricket is also used to play here. So this is our school ramp. As you can see, students are doing their practicals. This is our science composite lab. Ma'am, please just introduce yourself. Sir, please come.
So you can continue your practical. Okay. Good
Take this, ma'am.
afternoon.
Take this one, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Manisha. Here I am a science teacher, and here class 9 is demonstrating the practical of physical change and chemical change. So this is our composite lab. Here we are having 3 sections in our lab. First one is physics section, biology and chemistry section that side. So in physics section we are having all the apparatus like Ohm's law apparatus is there, rheostat is there, then battery eliminator is there, voltmeters are also there. These are the stands which are useful for all the purposes like physics practicals also and chemistry practicals also. This is our chemical cupboard, and here we have displayed all the chemicals are kept. Here we have displayed the list of chemicals in alphabetical orders, so it is useful for us to find out the chemicals. So in this section here you can see some charts are there which are made by students. In shelves some chemical apparatus are kept, burners are there, funnels are there, and conical flasks are there. As chemistry section we are having this condensation distillation assembly and all the equipments which are used for chemistry practicals like beakers, measuring funnels, round bottom flask, conical flask, and reagent bottles are also kept here. These are the reagent bottles. Test tubes are kept there. In upper shelves, you can see biology specimens are kept, like starfish and all. So this section, we are entering in biology section. So in biology section, you can see again some specimens are there, like Nephrolipis is there, fawn. Microscopes are there, and this is the model made by our student, which is showing the mechanism of breathing. This is the model of human system, human organ system, in which digestion, respiration, all the systems by removing we can show. This is our balancing pan, and this is our projection microscope. And you can see here we have pasted some safety rules of lab, and these are the some biology specimens. Here also you can see the human nervous system, circulatory system, kidney with bladder, human digestive system, and upper part you can see a long periodic table we have arranged, so that students can understand the elements, how many elements are there. This is our display board, composite laboratory display board, and on this display board we have pasted our weekly timetable for class 8, 9th and 10th, when we are going to conduct the practicals. These are some rules for students. Here we are having two boards. So first board we are using to explain this. Now today I am taking the practical of physical and chemical changes. So this experiment we are doing burning of magnesium ribbon and reaction of iron nail with copper sulfate. And this board we are just using permanently to draw the ray diagrams, and today I have drawn refraction through a rectangular glass slab. So there, that side you can see our storage, everything is stored. So whatever extra equipments and these optical instruments are there, we are kept. So you can see everything is stored properly, and here we can display we have displayed the content, whatever is there inside the cupboard. Now I will just go for our important part of our lab, that is, these are the documents of laboratory. First one is consumable and non-consumable stock register. So in this we have entered all consumable materials in this way, and after this we have maintained the record for non-consumable materials also. And this is practical register, in which we are entering which practical we are taking, and date wise we have entered on which date we have taken the practicals. So this is breakable stock register. We are just maintaining it for whatever breakage by students or by accidentally it is happening, we are recording here. These are the lab manuals. Today we are having practical, so regularly students are bringing the lab manuals with them, and we are just keeping here, because after that I will correct the lab manuals and I will give them back. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
as you all know that it's a world of technology. So for that, the computer is plays a very important role in the schools. So this is our computer lab. This is a board. As you can see, students are doing their practicals. Class 8 is there. She is our computer teacher. Ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon. My name is Rubia Grahambel and I am a computer teacher in this Anandi Public School. And 8th standard students are doing practicals on HTML.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As you can see, this one, she is also maintaining the computer lab student entry register and stock register is also there. So I request to computer person, please cover all these things. Internet facilities also there, you can clearly see this one. Okay. Internet cables and all are well equipped. Now they are doing their practical. Some boards are also there, like computer boards. Some boards are also there here, like rule and regulations also. I request to camera person, please cover the rule and regulations. Here is some charts. As we all aware about the technologies, today's technology, so for that purpose only we also provide them smart boards here, so student can use the smart board very well. Here is the here is the smart board where student used to sit here, they used to see the videos and all these things which is maintained by here, like all the sections are there, like teacher programs are also there, so any documentary film also they can see by here only. You can see clearly this is an like smart board where student used to keep this one. And like this, with the help of this smart board, we can just teach them actual world. Okay, whatever the things are there, whatever that happens in the world, that with this student can experience with in the school. So after this, after the computer lab, we'll go toward the toilets, and here is our toilet of this floor, ladies toilet, this is a girls toilet. With urinal station, and from this side it's a boys toilet. This is an bathroom. Here is another toilet, please. So now it's time for the maths lab. So let's come. As you can see, class 5th is also going on here. We'll see after all. Firstly, we'll see the maths lab. So this is our maths lab. As you can see, the students are doing their practicals also. Please come. He is our maths teacher. Sir, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Bhushan More. As a maths teacher, I would like to welcome our maths lab, which is runs from class 1st to 10th. First, in this lab, we have many various equipments, charts, models, and kits. Firstly, we will cover our great mathematicians who have contributed their lives in mathematical fields. So let's have a look over here. Have many great mathematicians. As our mathematical lab has many various kits, charts, equipments. So let's start which runs for class first standard. As we can see here, abacus kit, fraction kit, decimal kit is available. Skip counting board, very interesting, that is cash box. It is time module. This is time globe. This special globe shows the time. These are some solid shapes and flat shapes. Even these charts, place value, fractions, time, triangles, quadrilaterals. As we can see, are some 10th standard students are doing practicals over here. Some different practicals on their interest also. So they are doing actually magic circle. Boys, children, just wait, please. As you can see, geo board or magic ring. This is coding geometry board. Even we have physical and chemical thermometers also, which show the temperature in the room. This is mensuration chart. Again, we have some solid shapes, wooden solid shapes, and these are prisms, or you can see here clinometer, vernier caliper, sextant, measuring tape, and many things. As you can see, angles over here. So under this, I have kept some angular equipments or angular some teaching aids. So through this, we can teach what is the relationship between the angles and the sides also. Various different shapes are there in which their angular measurement we can see and teach also. Here we can see Pythagoras theorem board, in which hypotenuse square is equals to one side square plus other side square. Here we have cabinet, in which we keep the records of the practicals. Here it is last year practicals, 10th standard practicals. I have kept their records, and last year 9th standards practicals here. As we can see, so in this way we have taken the practicals, not only charts, but some charts are prepared from our students also. Our students, they also have prepared the charts. As you can see on the wall here, this is geometry box. Here students, measuring cups are here. They are doing practicals. The relationship of volumes between cone and cylinder, they are doing practically. Through this, they will come to know the exact formula of volume of cone and volume of cylinder also. You can see, sir, these are charts prepared by the students, very important charts, which is very important in their mensuration topic. Here their works are already been fixed, and this is our table in which we keep math stock register, in which all the records of equipments, charts, modules and mathematical kits is available. Along with that, we used to keep students entry registers also. That means what date students have attempted the practicals, conducted the practicals, have done the practicals. So these all records we used to keep. And the main thing in our lab, it is green board, or we can say board, writing board, on which practically as well as theoretically also we write the formula and we teach and even we learn the formula on the board if any calculation problem takes place. So we do some observations and calculation on the boards. Even we have arranged some chairs also if some students have individual problem is in their mathematical calculations. They used to sit and they used to come and personally they get all the calculations or all the sorting of the problems in the lab. So this is our maths lab. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. After the maths lab, now we'll go towards the activity hall. That is a very important part of the school. Please come. In that activity hall, different kind of the activities we used to play. This is in our activity hall. Here is some indoor games and some activities, art activities and sport activities students used to play here. So this is also a digital board where students used to use it for their purpose. After the activity hall, now it's time for the exam department. So here you can clearly see all the schedule, setting arrangement, their exam schedule, everything is mentioned here. This is our exam department. Let's come. He is our exam head. Sir, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sabur Mir. So here I am as an examination controller. So as you know that exam department, that is mainly we keep records here. You can see some files are here like question paper file, result sheets file. Along with that, here it is our computer system with internet facility. So all the online work it is being done here, and also you can see some sitting arrangement is there. All the invigilators they sit here, and here only we have to distribute the question papers. So coming to here, so here are only also some of the records are here, some files are here, previous records. Along with that, our stock of the answer sheets are here. So throughout the year we use these answer sheets, stock of the answer sheets are here. So along with that, you can see here files are arranged here from class 1st to 8. So these files we are using during the PTM. So you know that PTM, parents teacher meeting, it is the soul of the institution by which we can show the students academic excellence. So along with 1st and 8th, separate record is being maintained for 9th and 10th standard. So here we keep the records 9th and 10th standard for 9th and 10th standard CBSE. So I request my cameraman to please show the record. These are also the previous records. So here you can see the previous record of the 10th standard. Some lab manuals are here, some projects are here, and portfolios are here. Along with that, some previous records are here. You can see all the records, they are well maintained here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. After the exam department, now we'll move towards the toilets. As in each and every floor, we have a different kind of the toilets. Different kind of the toilet, it means that CWSN toilets. Now, as you know that which is mandatory, so it's a toilet. I request to camera person, please zoom it. With urinal stations. This is a boys CWSN toilets with urinal stations. Here is the bathroom. And each floor we have like 4 toilets, and along with that 4 urinal stations. So total 8 toilets are there in each floor. As you all know that library is a time machine which is connect present, future and past throughout the books. So let's welcome to the library. This is our school library. Here is a notice board. This is our librarian. Ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Janvi Biradar. I am working here as a librarian. Welcome to our school library.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. As she used to maintain all the records here, like you can see this one. This is library accession register. She used to enter all the books as section wise. Okay, like maths. It is about the Marathi books. Their entry number. Sanskrit books, their entry number, everything is mentioned here, like 2304, like this is their numbers. Along with that, almost 3000, more than 3000 books entry is already done by her. 3727. This is about the story books. So all the books are maintained here by section wise. As also as this library, we prepared this library with digital facilities. Internet is also available here. After that, you can clearly see this ones. The books are arranged here in a different kind of the categories. Like this is a newspaper section. This is an magazine section, where we have a different kind of the magazines, and then after that we have some comics books also. Here is some dictionaries. Encyclopedias, kids books, drawing books, and some newspaper is also kept here. This is a newspaper which students used to read. Then after this, as you can see this one, the digital board is there. Through this board, we used to update our student, because it's as I already informed you, this is a technology board. So with the help of this board, smart board, students used to read a lot of digital books, digital comics, digital books, whatever the things are there, their library teacher used to maintain all these things, so they can update themselves with this word. As the projector is also installed there, so I request to the camera person, please look at that. The projector is also there. Some of the important thoughts is also written on the wall. Some start with the library. This is our like library rules is clearly written in that board. And now those are some, now it is about some sections. So I request to camera person, one by one, just please try to cover all these things. Now, as you can see this one, the drinking water facility here. I request to camera person, please come. So here is a drinking water facility with a RO machine. This is our RO water machine, purification machine. Here it used to purify all the waters, and as you can see, this water is also coming from this side, and the waste water is also be going outside from this side. After this drinking water facility, now after we move toward this floors toilets. As each and every floor we have a different kind of the toilets. So here is a girls toilet. Please. As also a sanitary pad machine is also there. Vending machine. And after this, the basin is there, and boys toilet. In that boys toilet, again one basin is there. Like this. All the fire equipments are installed in our school. As you can say, this is the fire equipments where the proper precaution is. We used to take a proper precautions of that. Now it's time for the sport department. This is our sport department. He is our sport teacher. Sir, please introduce yourself.
Welcome sir, welcome to our sport room. Good afternoon sir, my name is Anand Jagtap. I am a sport teacher in this school. सर ये हमारा स्पोर्ट रूम है. सबसे पहले हम आपको बताएंगे कि स्टॉक रजिस्टर मतलब हमारे पास जितने इक्विपमेंट्स है उसके बारे में हम फीड करके यहाँ पर रखते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास कितने बॉल्स है, कितने नेट्स है, इसके बारे में जानकारी हम यहाँ पर रखते हैं. उसके बाद स्पोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट की ये फाइल है, मतलब हमारे जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स है CBSE लेवल में पार्टिसिपेट के लिए बाहर जाते हैं या जोनल लेवल, स्टेट लेवल के लिए जाते हैं, उनके बारे में सभी जानकारी हम यहाँ पर रखते हैं. उसके बाद आप यहाँ पर देखोगे सर क्रिकेट फील्ड पोजीशन की चार्ट्स बनाए हैं, वो सब डिटेल में यहाँ पर रखा है, जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स को आसानी हो समझने के लिए. उसके बाद यहाँ पर लेदर्स बैट, टेनिस बैट, ऐसे दोनों भी प्रकार के दोनों बैट्स हैं. सेफ्टी के लिए गार्ड्स भी है, हैंड ग्लोव्स है. पैड्स जो है दो प्रकार के हैं, वो बैटिंग के लिए भी है और कीपर के लिए भी है. और इसके बाद ये वहाँ पर लेदर बॉल है, टेनिस बॉल है और सिंथेटिक बॉल है. सिंथेटिक बॉल हम प्रैक्टिस के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. इसके ऊपर देखेंगे सर कि रैकेट्स है, बैडमिंटन रैकेट्स, ये हमारे पास 12 है, जिससे कि हम रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. सेफ्टी के लिए हमारे पास हेलमेट्स है, स्टम्प भी है और ये पैड्स है. और ये स्कीपिंग रोप है, स्कीपिंग के लिए काम में आते हैं. हमारे पास इंग्लिश विला बैट्स है, कश्मीरी विला बैट्स है, टेनिस के लिए भी है. और छोटे बच्चों के लिए प्लास्टिक का बैट भी हमारे पास है. थोड़ा ऊपर देखेंगे सर, ये पैटर्न है, रिले पैटर्न में क्या होता है, जब एक प्लेयर भागता है तो एक पैटर्न दूसरे प्लेयर को पास करता है. थोड़ा ऊपर देखेंगे, यहाँ पर सभी गेम्स के रूल्स है, जैसे कि क्रिकेट, खो खो, स्केटिंग, वॉलीबॉल और बास्केटबॉल. इसी सभी गेम्स के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन यहाँ पर चार्ट करके हमने लगाए हैं. यहाँ से थोड़ा देखेंगे नीचे से तो ये चेस है, चेस के बारे में रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन के बारे में यहाँ पर चार्ट करके लगाया है. यहाँ से आप सर थोड़ा नीचे देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर बास्केटबॉल भी है, वॉलीबॉल भी है और फुटबॉल भी है. इसके बाद ये है कबर्ड है, यहाँ पर हम कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें डॉक्यूमेंट अंदर रखते हैं. इसके साथ ही हम यहाँ पर फर्स्ट एड किट रखते हैं, मतलब फर्स्ट एड देने के लिए. कोई प्लेयर अगर इंजर्ड हुआ है तो उसके लिए फर्स्ट एड किट भी है. किसी की मसल्स में पेन आ गया उसके लिए भी वॉलिनी जैसा स्प्रे भी है. और डिहाइड्रेशन के लिए जिसका कोई हो गया तो उसके लिए भी ग्लूकॉन डी हमारे पास अवेलेबल है. और उसके साथ ही मेजरमेंट टेप भी हमारे पास है. ये जो मैट है वो योगा मैट है. योगा मैट हम योगा के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हमारे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स स्केटिंग में भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, इसके लिए हमने स्केटिंग भी अवेलेबल करके रखा है. ये बोर्ड है जिसके हम किसी गेम के बारे में डिस्कस करना हो या किसी गेम के बारे में प्लान बनाना हो या रूल्स और रेगुलेशन बताना हो तो हम इस बोर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं. उसके बाद वहाँ पर 4 से आउटडोर स्पोर्ट्स, जैसे कि 10 आउटडोर स्पोर्ट्स है वहाँ पर अवेलेबल चार्ज करके रखा है. उसके बाद एक कबड्डी का चार्ट है जिसके रूल्स और रेगुलेशन एज इट इज़ है. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है शॉर्ट, ये एथलेटिक्स के 2 गेम्स हैं, शॉर्ट पुट और डिस्कस थ्रो. शॉर्ट पुट 7 kg का है और जूनियर के लिए 4 kg का भी अवेलेबल है। उसके बाद है डिस्कस थ्रो 1 kg का भी है और हाफ kg का भी है। उसके बाद वेट मशीन है। वेट मशीन हम स्टूडेंट्स के वेट कितना है वो चेक करने के लिए करते हैं, इवन उसका ग्रोथ हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है उससे हम जानकारी लेते हैं। दैट्स इट, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now, after the sport department, now it's time for the music department. Now we'll move towards the music department. Please come, sir. This is our music department. This is our lovely music department. You can see students are doing their practice. So ready to distribute, sir? He is our music teacher. Sir, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Santosh Apparao Suryavanshi. I am working here as a music teacher. My education qualification, MA Music, B.Ed, संगीत विशारद, वोकल एंड हारमोनियम। हम सर यहाँ पे हमारे पाठशाला में हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक ये सब्जेक्ट चलाते हैं क्लास 9 और 10 के लिए। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, छोटा ख्याल, राग यमन, स्थायी स्वरबद्ध है, अंतरा स्वरबद्ध है। ये हम बच्चों को स्वर लिपि में लिखकर और प्रैक्टिकल में ही लेते हैं। और कुछ हमारे लेटेस्ट सिंगर्स हैं यहाँ पे, उनके बारे में उनके सॉन्ग भी हम हमारे पाठशाला में लेते हैं। जैसे कि अजय अतुल, कुमार सानू, सुरेश वाडकर जी है, उस्ताद झाकिर हुसैन जी है तबला वादक। और इस तरफ हमारे क्लासिकल के सिंगर्स हैं जैसे कि भीमसेन जोशी, कविता कृष्णमूर्ति, शंकर महादेवन। और इस साइड हमारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जैसे कि संवादिनी, हारमोनियम, मृदंग, तानपुरा, गिटार है, संतूर। ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट के बारे में हम बच्चों को अच्छे से जानकारी देते हैं और कैसे बजते हैं ये भी बजाते हैं और बजा कर दिखाते हैं। और इसी तरह हमारे बच्चों ने कुछ यहाँ पे देखो हारमोनियम के बारे में कुछ वर्क किया है, उनकी जानकारी है। जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ पे माँ सरस्वती जी, पंडित विष्णु दिगंबर पलुस्कर, भातखंडे, इनका ताल लिपि और स्वर लिपि के बारे में भी हम बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं। जैसे ये देखो यहाँ पे कविता कृष्णमूर्ति है, पंडित भीमसेन जोशी, लता मंगेशकर। बहुत अच्छा हमारे बच्चों ने इनके बारे में उनकी जीवनी लिखी है। यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट है और ये हमारे कीबोर्ड्स है सर, इसको कैशियो भी बोल सकते हैं हम। दोनों हाथ से कैसे बजाना, उंगली कौन सी उंगली कहाँ पे कैसे बजाने से बच्चों को कैसे आइडिया आती है, ये भी हम बच्चों को सिखाते हैं। यहाँ पे हमारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, खंजरी है, यहाँ पे ताल है, भावगीत भक्ति संगीत के समय वो ताल हम यूज़ करते हैं। जैसे कि ताशा है। और इधर हमारा स्पीकर भी है सर। स्पीकर के ऊपर बच्चों को कैसे माइक पकड़कर गाना चाहिए कराओके म्यूज़िक, वो भी हम कराओके सिंगिंग यहाँ पे लेते हैं। जैसे कि हमारा यहाँ पे तबला है, तबले के ऊपर गाने के साथ कौन सा ठेका कैसे बजाना, कुछ बच्चे हमारे यहाँ पे तबला भी बजाते हैं। ये हमारे तबला है सर। यहाँ पे हारमोनियम है, ये संवादिनी भी बोल सकते हैं हम इसको। हारमोनियम के ऊपर राग, अलंकार, स्वर विस्तार, हारमोनियम बजाकर कुछ हमारे बच्चे गाते हैं सर। इसी तरह हम यहाँ पे म्यूज़िक डिपार्टमेंट में सिंगिंग लेते हैं सर। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So now after this, now we'll move toward the classes. Now this is our class first. You can clearly see this one. So this is our class first. Very good afternoon all. So this is our class first. Okay, Shriram. Okay. After the class first, now we'll move toward the class second. As you can see, this is our class second. We'll move toward this lecture is going on there. Okay. Very good afternoon to all. This is our class second. Shut down, all of you. Now after this is our class third, that you can clearly see this one. This is our class third. Okay, lecture is going on, so we'll just come. Okay, so this is a class third.
The kitten has a nose, so it breathes with the nose. We all breathe with our nose. So even in this leaf, there are small tiny holes.
These are the some boards which is maintained by the students. They used to prepare these ones. This is our Hindis. This is the boards. So please come. Class 6 is going on. So we'll enter in the class 6. Very good afternoon. Sit down, sit down. Sir, please continue.
जो भी काम है जब हम मिलजुल कर करेंगे तो वो काम हमें करने में बड़ी आसानी हो, वो काम कोई भी हो। जब हम जो काम है मिलजुल कर करेंगे तो वह काम जल्दी से हम कर सकते हो जाएगा, आसान हो जाएगा। तो कभी साहिल रुद्र जी हमें यही बताने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि हमें
After the 6, now it's time for the class 7. So this is our class 7. Lecture is going on. Very good afternoon all. Sit down. Ma'am, please continue. Now we'll move toward the class 8. This is our class 8. As the students are doing their computer practicals, so students are not there, but their bag is here. Okay, you can clearly see the classroom here. After the class 8, we'll move toward the class 9. This is our class 9. As students doing their science practicals, so their bag is here only. So this is our class 9. The blackboard also. Then after the class 9, we'll move toward the class 10. So after, as you see this one, this is our class 8. This is our class 8. Then this is the class 9, and then we'll move toward the class 10. This is our class 10. As the class 10 students doing their maths practical, so they are not here. This is our class 10 classroom. Now it's time for the wellness room. This is our wellness room where students used to take some rest, like with first aid box and all these things are here with bed. Okay. After this, this is fire safety equipments, as it is installed in each and every floor with fire alarm. And this is our staff room. Just please come. As you can see this one, lectures are going on, in the laboratory work is also going on. So those teachers, they are remain here. So I would like to introduce them. Like this is Mr. and Mrs. Pragati ma'am, Gutte ma'am, like Akshay sir, then Jurkunte sir. Okay. Others teachers are busy in their work, like they are in different kind of the libraries, they are in classrooms, so they are busy. Now this is a principal room, as we already introduced. So now it's time for the mandatory public disclosure, the documents. which we have uploaded. So this is our file, like mandatory public disclosure along with affiliation number 1131038. This is our self certificate performer. This is our affiliation grant letter. This is your our school code on account of grant of affiliation. This is the line certificate. Society trust certificate. This is an original trust certificate, and now it is translated in English, like notary is there. Like this, Srimati Rajabai Memorial Charitable Institutional Trust. After this is a building safety certificate. Building safety certificate. Fire safety certificate. Self drinking water and sanitary and hygiene certificate. DEO certificate. This is an NOC. Recognition certificate. This is Parent Teacher Association, School Management Committee. This is a school audit. Audit report is there. This is mandatory public disclosure. Like this, we have all the documents.